dinner?
No, he thinks you're
He
sweet.
says, yeah, I'm giving you kisses, kisses.
Look at him looking sweetie.
Hey, Mom, you want to set him up square?
So, when he goes, you do that back in. No, don't get after me. Oh. Good boy. Oh, now just hold him here and I'm going to set his feet. Oh.
Oh.
He's never had his feet set before.
I know.
It's like so.
Oh, good boy.
Up there?
Yep, perfect. Just leave him like that. Okay, Abigail, lift his head nice and gently.
Pull her forward. Just lift his head. Turn forward, Jack. Lift his head up. Pull. Pull. No.
That's good.
Good boy.
Go ahead and walk him.
He says you're pulling my head and you're telling me. Pull it.
Okay, now look towards there. You're doing good.
Good lesson for both of you. Oh. That's it. If you feel in control, that he's starting to take control, you just stop him. And then it's best if you stop him and back him. He sees all the feed going on in the barn. Turn him towards you so they can see his face a little bit. Oops.
Ooh.
He says maybe if I just walk a little bit, I can get to the door.
Would you like me to close the door?
No.
Lift his head. Oh. Now turn your body towards it to stop him. Not right in front of him. That's right. That's a good turn. Okay. Now you can get out of the way so they can see ahead of the horse. Oh. Snap it.
Good job, Abigail. Good job. Tell him good boy, Max. Just stand right there.
Oh.
Can you... Lift his head up. He says, ooh, your shoes smell pretty. Can you lift his head up? There you go.
He's still got his legs crossed.
Is that a pose for the picture?
Am I posing pretty?
Max, that's not the prettiest way to stand. Walk him forward a little bit, please.
Oh.
Your hand.
Okay.
Release his head. That's good.
Look, can you lift his head up?
Lift his head, though.
Come on.
Just hold. No, don't walk forward. Just.
There you go.
Oh.
You big horse. Look up. Tell me. Look up. There you go. You want to walk, don't you?
Now, did you ask him to move forward?
No.
Okay, then back him up. Yeah, straighten his head out. You got to turn and look at his butt.
With your butt.
Oh.
Make him
okay.
stop.
You're doing okay. That's the position you need to be in, right there.
There. Good. Now pet him because he's just as confused as you are.
All he does is wants to
Well, blow in his nose. Tell him who you are.
I didn't realize how much mascara he had around his eye.
Oh.
That's good, though. Can you scratch his ears?
Yeah, like that.
Oh, you
probably
scared
did do
him.
it, Yeah. You probably thought that was a fly.